Hello everyone, my name is Navid and welcome to my channel. In the first video of TIA Portal tutorials, we have learned how to install TIA Portal 16. But some of you have problem with WinCC Unified installation. Therefore, I want to show you in this video how to install TIA Portal version 17 and PLC Sim, and how to fix WinCC Unified installation problems. First, we need to download this software. You can find the link in the description below for different versions. You need to consider system requirements for different versions. We want to install Schematic WinCC Unified, so choose please this one. Please download all these files for DVD 1, 2 and DVD 3 and PLC Sim. You need to be logged in to download these files. If you don't have any account, you need to register. After finishing the download, open the file and double-click on installation file. In this part, if you get an error that TIA Portal requires Net Framework 3.5, you need to cancel the installation of TIA Portal and install dismissed Windows component. After that, you should restart the PC and start again installing TIA Portal. Choose here installing language. Then you can choose the language which you need in this application. English is installed by default and I add German. In this part you can choose what you want to install. I prefer typical. If you want to install WinCC Unified, you need to open this folder, Schematic WinCC Unified PC Engineering. If you can check these boxes, it's okay and you don't have any problem to install it. But if these boxes are deactivated and you cannot check them, you need to do some adjustment in your PC and activate some necessary features. So here is what we need to do. Go to Start and open the control panel. You can write its name here. Open Uninstall a program. On top left you see Turn Windows features on or off. Double click on it. You need to have administrator rights. Open Net Framework Advanced Service and check ASP.NET 4.8. Second one, open Internet of Information Service. Then open Web Management Tools and check IIS Management Console. Then open Worldwide Web Services, Application Developments, Features, and then enable .NET Extensibility via 0.8. ASP and ASP.NET 4.8 ISAPI extension and ISAPI filters. Now open Common HTTP features. Click Default Document, Directory Browsing, HTTP Errors, and Static Content. On the Health and Diagnostic, enable HTTP logging. On the Performance features, check Static Content Compressions. And last one, on the Security, enable Request Filtering. Hit OK and let the Windows install the required files. Okay, close this window. Now the required features for TIA Portal is activated. Rerun the installation setup. Now you can check these boxes and activate WinCC Unified. Click Next. There will be a new window. Select Create a new certificate. Click on Next. Again Next. Choose the location that you want to save your files. Then click on Next. Select location for reports and then click on Next. Write your password. If you don't need the secure download, you can deactivate it. Accept. You need to check all boxes for license agreement. I accept. At the end, you see a summary of what will be installed on your PC. The installation will be started. Depending on your PC hardware, it takes approximately an hour to complete the installation. Installation is done and we restart the PC. You need to repeat the installation for other DVDs and PLC SIM. Everything is like installation of TIA Portal. Let me run the TIA Portal. We create a test program. This box says we don't have yet any license. Like version 16, this version is activated for 21 days, and after that you need to purchase a license. From PC system, open Siemens HMI application. You can see Siemens Unified PC is installed. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any problem with installation of TIA Portal or programming, please don't hesitate to write it in comments.